Hi everyone, welcome to this video. I am so excited to share this with you because these keychains have taken off. So first thing I do is put my resin and hardener in separate cups and then place them in really hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes because this helps minimize bubbles. And then I dry them off really well because even a droplet of water will ruin your resin. And then I mix super slow for 4 minutes. This is just a sped up video. And then I'm placing the flowers in the mold. Sometimes I do it randomly and sometimes I'm fulfilling custom orders, which I'm going to get into in another video about how I'm selling these and doing all of that, but this is just specifically a tutorial. So I place all of my flowers in and then I drop my resin slowly bit by bit, because if you were to pour the whole letter in at once, it will create more bubbles. So this way is a lot more time consuming, but it just saves your life later on and it makes it look way more clear. And then while I'm working, I'll typically take the heat gun and just move it around the letters to pop any bubbles. And sometimes the flowers rise to the top of the resin a little bit. Typically sit with them for about an hour or two and just push the flowers down and make sure that everything is curing properly. Pop any bubbles just to make sure it turns out as perfect as possible. Here are some of the finished products, and now I'm going to show you how I get it to that final stage. So after they come out of the mold, they typically have some excess resin on them, so I just cut that off and then I sand them very carefully just to make them extra perfect. And after that, I polish them to give them an extra nice crystal clear effect. And here are some examples, and they will be up on my Etsy shop once I get through some more of my custom orders, so you guys can check that out soon. So how I turn them into keychains. I always forget what those things are called, but I screw them into the top just like so. And then I put the little ring through and then attach the keychain thing. Pretty straightforward. And here is how a lot of them actually turned out on the keys, and I will have so many more coming. If you'd like to place an order for which color flowers or which letter, I also do numbers that you would like, you can reach out to me on my Instagram page at megdionart and I will be happy to make one for you. But they will also be available on my Etsy shop soon. And of course, each of my orders come with a personalized note. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it because that helps out my channel, and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!